My husband stopped snoring when I gave him this anti-snoring remedy.
You surely know a lot of people who have sleeping issues, and the deficiency of sleep significantly increases the risk of a wide range of health issues. In many cases, people cannot sleep due to the snoring of their partner. Yet, you should know that snoring is mainly caused by excess mucus. Therefore, the elimination of mucus from the airways will definitely reduce or even completely prevent snoring. A dear friend of mine told me the recipe of a miraculous remedy, which is simple and natural. It should be regularly consumed before going to sleep, and it removes mucus, and thus reduces snoring. Yet, make sure you use organic fruits and vegetables, as they support health, and do not consume harmful chemicals compounds, such as pesticides. This is how to prepare the drink. Ingredients: 2 apples, 1/4 lemon, 2 carrots, 1 piece of ginger, 1/2 cup of water. Method of preparation. Its preparation is extremely easy, as all you need to do is to place all ingredients in a blender, and blend until you get a homogeneous mixture. How to use. You should drink the juice several hours before going to sleep. Moreover, you should avoid the following foods and drinks, as they may worsen the condition. Processed foods and drinks. Fried foods. Foods that are hard to digest. Too much chocolate. Too much alcohol. In this way, you will quickly clear the airways from mucus and reduce snoring. You will finally be able to get a proper night's sleep and rest.